Wovens. What makes them unique? There is evidence that the first weaving looms were in use 4,000 years ago. It was around this time that most civilizations developed their own version of the hand-operated loom. The Weavers' Craft Guild was created in 1100 A.D. in England to support the craft of weaving. For centuries, weaving remained strictly a cottage industry, where all weaving took place in the home. It wasn't until the Industrial Revolution in the 1700s that the factory system became more prevalent than the cottage industry. This was the beginning of the modern-day factories. Weaving technology has evolved from the first simple handloom to the high-tech machines of today. The first major technological advance in weaving came when John Kay invented the flying shuttle in 1733, which allowed the shuttle to be thrown through the shed without having to be placed manually through the warp yarns. This was followed by the development of the Jacquard loom by Joseph Marie Jacquard between 1801 and 1805. The Jacquard loom is considered by most to be the first key-punched card-operated computer-like system ever made. It was so revolutionary that the French government purchased the system 5 years later in order to control its use. Because the system threatened the hand weavers' monopoly, they revolted, burning many Jacquard looms and forcing Jacquard himself to flee his hometown for fear of his life. In 1837, Lucius J. and Francis B. Knowles developed the first upright loom powered by a steam engine, but they were not granted a patent for their design until 1856. By the end of the Industrial Revolution, 90% of all weaving looms in North America were automated. These major innovations in weaving resulted in higher quality fabric and a faster rate of production. In the last 100 years, there have been significant developments in weaving, especially in the form of shuttleless weaving systems. Developments in weaving technology continue to improve the quality of fabric as well as the increasing rate of production. Covering an extremely wide range of applications, wovens are a key element in the apparel, home, and industrial fabrics industry. Whether designed for fashion or constructed for industrial applications, wovens are used for more applications than any other system of fabrication.